We have tried a lot of mushroom coffees, and the thing that we've learned is they all have a slightly different flavor profile. This one immediately stood out because when you open it, the first thing you notice is the smell of cocoa, not mushrooms. The brand sent this to us to try, and what we really liked is that there is 60 servings in one container. That's double what many of them come with, which is 30. It is low caffeine mushroom coffee made with 10 mushrooms, including lion's mane, reishi, chaga, cordyceps, and turkey tail. It also includes cocoa powder and a small amount of Arabica coffee, so it drinks more like a coffee alternative than a supplement. For us, this one fits perfectly into our routine because it has smooth chocolate flavored taste with no strong earthy notes. Chocolate and coffee are both favorites in our house, and this one has easily become a daily option when wanting something warm and familiar without going full coffee.